Digital forms of money have seen enormous development throughout recent years. One of the special ventures expected to determine the errors connected with installment processors and monetary foundations is the OMG organization, which with its OMG token had knocked some people's socks off of the majority previously. The bold principal attributes of the OMG network have been rewarding enough for advertisers to get some. Hodlers and financial backers have been sitting tight at a bullish cost run of the computerized resource. Could it be said that you are one of the many who is enthusiastic about the expectations of OMG? Look no further, as this review will delineate the attainable value projections of OMG for 2022 and the years to come. OMG Organization Value Expectation for 2022. OMG's cost initiated the year on a bullish note and raised up to $6.10 with a 20% upsurge. In any case, as US took care of FUDs hit the market hard, OMG was not an exemption. By the 23rd of January, OMG was exchanging at its 5-month low, while its urgent help was close to $3.73. The computerized resource went through a revision with the beginning of February, with misfortunes of 11.4%, post which the cost heightened by 23.64% by the 8th of February. Be that as it may, the fuel was then depleted, as strains all over the planet prompted a downswing. Irritating business sector patterns and disturbance in its direction prompted the quarter's conclusion at $5.81. The subsequent quarter was merciless for the crypto business, and OMG had borne the brunt to an outstanding degree. The altcoin had lost more than 73% increases Q2. OMG value conjecture for Q3. On the off chance that the cryptographic money conveys forward the second from last quarter in a bullish position. What's more, witnesses prominent selections and coordinated efforts. The cost of the computerized resource could chomp greener candles to guarantee a most extreme value focus of $2.44. Notwithstanding, negative analysis and the organization missing out on market hold might actually bring the value down to $1.69. Compelled by a straight cost direction, the typical cost could settle at $2.01. OMG Organization Value Gauge for Q4. The hopeful social opinions in the final quarter, combined with the thriving client base of the organization, could take the cost to a greatest objective of $3.20. Be that as it may, a potential monetary emergency or administrative consistence would unexpectedly torment the cost to $2.24. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $2.64. OMG value expectation for 2023. On account of outrageous bullish opinions, the cost would climb to $5.39 in the 2023 bull cycle. The cost could flip to $2.84 assuming bears rule the space. In any case, with normal trade pressures the cost would wind up exchanging at $3.95 constantly's end. OMG network price expectation for 2024. Developing worldwide reception of digital currencies and a more extensive client base could push the cost to a limit of $8.55. Notwithstanding, arising competent opponents to both OMG Organization and Ethereum could cut the cost to $4.52. Progressively, considering in the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could be at $6.07. OMG Organization, OMG, value expectation for 2025. OMG Organization has plans to acquaint new administrations with its exchanging. What's more, when it totally changes into a proof-of-stake (POS) agreement system, it could guarantee a worth well above $13.94. On the other side, the cost should encounter a lofty tumble to $7.20. Thusly, the shortfall of satisfying occasions could finish up the year at $9.71. What is OMG Organization, OMG? OMG Organization was implicit request to work with a Layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum. The non-custodial convention was recently named as AmiseGo. The point of the stage is to confirm a high exchange throughput at a dependable cost. The organization has its own local utility token called OMG. The token can be utilized as an installment answer for expenses on its foundation. Furthermore, clients can utilize the token to procure compensations by marking. Nonetheless, the organization utilizes an unmistakable scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, which is coordinated with the plasma sidechain technique for design, which classifies a few exchanges off-chain into a pack that can then be affirmed as one exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. While the OMG network has been conveyed to support the Ethereum biological system by settling the errors connected with exchange speed and charges, the sidechain arrangement would likewise help in cutting down power use by practically close to 100%. Central investigation. The OMG organization was established by Vansa Chattokavanij in 2017. The tech firm is based out of Thailand, recently perceived as a MICE property. The pioneer finished his laureate's graduation from Columbia College in Earth and Natural Sciences in New York. He has amassed information in working with monetary organizations like the World Bank and Global Money Partnership. He functioned as an overseeing chief at the organization until 2019. The current COO of the organization is Stephen McNamara, who served at Huawei Innovations as a previous head of blockchain research and development procedure. Though Kasamathan Pipichai is filling in as a CTO of the OMG organization. OMG Network delivered the Evidence of Idea Agreement component in January 2018, which was worked as an early rendition of its plasma-based sidechain. Alpha send-off of the OMG stage in 2019 called ARI guaranteed the more educated cycle of the convention, as opposed to its base feasible plasma ancestor. Moreover, the OMG network sent off a testnet variant of its foundation on erupting climate in WAC 2020. Be that as it may, around the same time, the organization delivered its mainnet adaptation OMG Organization v.01. OMG Value Expectation. The OMG cost has shown quick unpredictability in the new past. With significant variances, OMG could guarantee $3.20 toward the finish of 2022. The cost might increment on the off chance that the organization declares any new upgrades. Formed OMG Organization Value Forecast. It very well may be a wise interest in the drawn-out viewpoint. OMG cost could hit a limit of $8.50 toward the finish of 2024. What's more, could ultimately flood toward $14 toward the finish of 2025. Verifiable market feelings. 2018. The cost had accomplished heavenly benefits during the absolute starting point of its initiation. OMG cost moved in pace with ETH cost and guaranteed an ATH of